I hate ironing. Sometimes my clothes sit in the dryer for like 2 or 3 days before I remember that they're in the dryer. What's up, beautiful babes? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Jess. I hope you're having an amazing day. In today's video, I am sharing some tips. I think there's 11 tips on how to always look good, how to always look stylish, and how to always look put together. These tips and tricks are all based off of my own experience, things that I do to look, more stylish, more put together, that I have my life together, that I'm just not a hot mess. These are just things I do, things that I've learned. Before I hop into this video, don't forget to subscribe down below, join the family. It's a pretty great place to be. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. Having your hair styled and looking good is a very easy way to make or break your outfit. You can have the cutest outfit, but if your hair is like acting a fool, looking a mess, then it really can just change how your outfit looks. So what I like to do is, because I definitely don't have time to style my hair every day, nor would I want to because heat is just so bad for your hair. On Sunday, I curl my hair or straighten it, and I just try to keep it for the whole week. Recently, I did an experiment to see how long I could go without washing my hair, to see how long I could maintain the style, and I actually went 10 days and my hair was still curled. So if you guys want me to do a video on how to make your hair last longer throughout the week, let me know in the comment section. But back to my main point, I just try to style my hair once a week, and towards the end of the week where my hair is starting to get oilier, I'll just touch up with some dry shampoo, or I'll start doing some updos. The smallest bit of effort to look like you did something to your hair, to make it look like it's styled or done, whether it's a messy bun, whether it's just a braid or a ponytail, that can make all the difference from looking a mess to looking put together. This tip is so crucial, and I can honestly say that I've had this happen to me before. Make sure you have a good bra. If you have just, an older bra and it's starting to do the thing with the lines here, it shows through your outfit and you're having spillage or your bra is too big, it can make you look lumpy, it can make you look frumpy. So make sure you invest in some good quality bras that look good on you, that feel good on you, and look good under your clothes. The front tuck. The front tuck is literally my best friend. I love doing the front tuck. I do it with almost every single outfit because I just feel like it really changes the appearance of your outfit, and it's just a way to look instantly more chic. I don't know why such a simple, easy thing makes you look more chic, more trendy, more stylish, but it just does. The front tuck also makes you look a little taller and a little slimmer because you are getting that extra inch or two of jean space, so it's elongating your legs, making you look tall. So this does take a little bit more time and effort, but it can really pay off, especially if in the mornings you're in a rush, you never really have time to pick out an outfit or put something together or try multiple outfits on. If you spend just the 5 or 10 minutes the night before picking out your outfit, it will ensure that you never have the awful situation of just throwing on something and then going about your day and realizing that you hate what you're wearing, you feel uncomfortable, you feel awkward, and it's just not something you like to wear. By picking out your outfit the night before, that will never happen ever again. You will have intentionally chosen your outfit, probably have tried it on, know you liked it, and then you go about your day. You don't have that rush panic mode in the morning, and all is well. You are guaranteed to have a well put together, stylish outfit. Wrinkled clothes just scream, I'm a mess. I just picked this up off the floor, threw it on. I woke up late. Wearing wrinkled clothes just puts you on that fast track to looking not so stylish. If you are super busy and don't always have the time to hang up your laundry from the dryer right away or iron your clothes, it's totally cool. Neither do I. I hate ironing. Sometimes my clothes sit in the dryer for like 2 or 3 days before I remember that they're in the dryer. If this is also you, I have 2 hacks for you. The first hack is to invest in a steamer. I have a steamer. I got it as a wedding present. one of the best wedding presents by far. I've used it so many times and it comes in so clutch. Sometimes in the morning, I'm just in such a rush. I didn't realize that my shirt was wrinkly and now I have to get ready, but I don't have time to, iron it. So now that I have this steamer, all I do is I turn it on right before I'm about to go brush my teeth. By the time I'm done brushing my teeth, the steamer is like ready to start steaming. I hang up my outfit on the built-in hanger and I just spend like 3 to 5 minutes steaming it. And once I'm done doing whatever part of my morning routine I need to finish before I leave, my shirt's dry, wrinkle-free, and looking good. And my second hack is for when you're really, really short on time, you don't have time to steam, or you just don't have the money to buy a steamer, which is also totally fine. The hack is to hang your outfit piece on a hanger and put it in the shower while you're showering. Close the bathroom door, turn up the water temperature to super hot. The whole bathroom turns into a steam room, and your garment unwrinkles itself. The only problem with this is sometimes it gets a little too damp in there and your shirt just gets really damp. So if you don't have time to dry it out, you might end up wearing a damp shirt. Adding layers to your outfit will always just give a very classy vibe, a very put together and polished vibe, and it makes you look like you really tried with your outfit, even if it is just all basics and a nice coat. Expensive looking accessories add all the chicness, all the trendiness to an outfit. Now, because I like to ball on a budget, I don't like to break the bank. I get expensive looking accessories. I never ever really buy expensive things. I rarely will drop a large amount of money on something unless it's something I've really thought about getting, unless it's something I really want and have been saving up for. That's a little different, but otherwise, I can't justify spending like $350 on a Gucci belt. I can't. I don't have that kind of money. So my hack for this is to look for expensive looking pieces that resemble the timeless pieces that designers put out. Because they're so timeless and based on basics, that piece will always just look so chic and so classy. For example, the very famous Gucci belt that everybody is wearing right now, I can't buy that. It's way too expensive. But I am currently wearing this belt that is very similar in structure and in color and just kind of in style. So even though this belt was nowhere near the price of a Gucci belt, the fact that it is similar in appearance makes me look timeless and classy and makes me look like I have expensive clothes. Wearing something that fits well, especially to the point where it looks like it was tailored and made for you, that will make you look so good and so stylish. Wearing ill-fitting clothing is just a bad idea for so many reasons. It doesn't look good, it's not flattering. So what you can do for this one is really analyze not only your body shape and your body type, but also your silhouette. I'm petite curvy, I have a short torso, my butt's not that big, but I have a bigger chest, which is definitely a very odd body type to dress for. I found it very difficult and frustrating at many times to figure out what looks good on me. And it's the worst feeling when you see something cute and you love a certain trend or style and it just doesn't look good on you. You just gotta face those facts and find something that looks even better and slay with that. Use those accessories. Adding accessories to an outfit will just truly level up your outfit. When I say accessorize, I don't just mean like earrings and a necklace. I mean accessorize with like sunglasses, belts, hats, scarves. There is so much variety when it comes to accessorizing. You just have to play around with what looks good with you, what looks good with your outfit, and have some fun. For me, I love adding a pair of like big statement earrings and a more minimal necklace, and I feel like that's kind of become my look. And I really, really love it. I think it always ties my outfit together, and I think it looks really nice on me. When all else fails, if you just cannot come up with an outfit, if you are just stuck and you can't create anything or put anything together, and everything just looks bad, when in doubt, wear basics. Try all black or all white, or wearing an all basics outfit. Quick example, a denim jacket, a white t-shirt, black jeans, and black boots. Front tuck the shirt, add a necklace, add some earrings, maybe a scarf, and boom, you have an effortless looking, stylish outfit. make sure that whatever you wear not only feels comfortable, like physically feels comfortable, but you also feel comfortable in it. It is the worst thing to wear something just because it's stylish or trendy, and then you feel insecure or not confident because it's not something you would typically wear, or it makes you feel self-conscious. You definitely don't want that. Confidence is like 50% of an outfit. You can look busted, but if you are working it, if you are selling it, then it looks like you intentionally look busted. So if you don't feel comfortable in something, don't wear it. If you don't feel confident in something, don't wear it. Wear things that you look good in, you feel good in. Alrighty guys, so that is it for today's video. I very much hope you guys enjoyed it and that you guys liked these tips and tricks and that they were helpful, especially for those of you who are looking to get more into style or fashion, or maybe you're just starting off your wardrobe or basics or whatever. I feel like if I was watching this like 5 or 10 years ago, this would have been like my holy grail because I didn't know any of this stuff. I had no idea how to put together an outfit or look good, and these are all just like the simple little things that you can do to just really look more stylish, and I had no idea about any of these. And if you guys have a tip or piece of advice to share on how you guys look more stylish, comment it in the comment section down below. You never know who it might help. It might even help me. Maybe I'll become more stylish because of you. That about wraps it up for this video. I have to try and be super quick and edit this super quick, and I'm just really worried because I have to figure out dinner for like 45 people who are coming over later. Wade and I are having a goodbye party for a reason, which I'll tell you guys in a couple days. But I have all these people coming over, and I have to edit, and I have to post, and I have to go grocery shopping, and I have to cook, and oh my gosh, I'm stressed. Grabe naman. But I'm gonna get through it. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will see you probably tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Mahal ko kayo. And I love you guys. Bye!
I can take you on a trip.